Subscribe to our channel.
Oh, here we are, at the edge of the great blue expanse. The conditions are pristine, the wind whispers its invitation, and nature's most elusive watermen, the downwind foilers, begin their daily retreat. Unlike their land-dwelling relatives, these magnificent creatures have evolved to harness the ocean's energy in an entirely unique way. Using hydrofoils, fins affixed beneath their boards, they defy conventional physics, lifting themselves clear of the water's surface, reducing drag and achieving near effortless flight.
How's today lining up for you?
It looks better than what we have in Seattle. It looks like there's actually wind up here. It's flat.
The main difference is that there's a wind.
Wind versus no wind. That's an important part of downwind. It was looking like 15 knots or something.
I mean, last time we came here to a similar forecast, and then it was a little bit dicey, I think.
With all the logs and everything?
Yeah, it was pushing up over the cement guardrails there.
Observe how they travel to their desired start position so as to catch the perfect angle for their ride. Their instincts finely tuned to read the ever-changing landscape of wind and swell. It is a delicate art. One must be perfectly positioned or they risk sinking back into the turbulent depths. They have followed this wind many miles to find this body of water with the right coastlines and current for this specific day.
It's absolutely freezing out here. It's like 34 degrees. The way they go.
A few moments later.
All right, I can see the foilers out there. They're coming this way. They're foilers, so they move pretty fast.
This is following the foilers, following the greats.
So, well, while we wait,
It's montage time.
I can see him out there. Let's see if we can get some shots. Still pretty far away. Would you look at that? Absolutely brilliant. With just a few powerful strokes, this beauty has taken flight. Now he's no longer just on the water, he's above it, defying gravity itself. What a sight. This, dear viewers, is the pinnacle of hydrodynamic efficiency. With each movement, he conserves energy, using only the natural power of wind and water to propel himself forward. No motors, no paddles, just instinct, balance, and a connection to the elements. Now, while they are often solitary creatures, these paddlers do exhibit remarkable cooperative behavior. Much like dolphins riding a bow wave, these foilers will work together, calling out swells, guiding each other to optimal lines, and celebrating successful connections. It's a sophisticated form of communication. Short bursts of encouragement, subtle gestures, a nod here, a whistle there. To the untold ear, it may sound like casual chatter, but make no mistake. This is survival, and in this realm of the ocean, efficiency is everything. After miles of uninterrupted flight, the foilers begin their descent, returning to shore where they will bask in the afterglow of their journey.
Look pretty good out there.
Their bodies are weary, but their spirits soar, for they have once again danced with the ocean and emerged victorious. As the sun dips below the horizon, these remarkable creatures rest, knowing that tomorrow the wind will call once more, and they will answer, with the elegance and grace that only true masters of the ocean can possess.
side. Chop is a lot of work.
Yeah.
That would like get pushed in at the paddle back. I think it's pretty done.
And don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.